Our project consists of a microcontroller MSP430F6731, which is a low-power microcontroller by Texas Instrumentation. This microcontroller is the brain of our project, as it does the main processing part. The input task is initiated by connecting the fingerprint module to our microcontroller through IC TMS320C5515. This is an input device which scans the fingerprint of the user and gives it to microcontroller for further processing. Now, the scanned input is further processed and accordingly it displays the output through LCD screen. LCD screen is an output device which is connected to the microcontroller through LCD driver ICMM5483. Now, we have another input device, which is our EVM or electronic voting machine, used to take the vote cast by the candidate and give it to the microcontroller. The EVM which we have used here is EVM 430F6736 of Texas Instrumentation. Now, if further someone attempts to make the multiple votes, or an unauthorized user attempts to vote, then we have an alarm which blows off. This alarm is connected to our microcontroller through a power amplifier. The power amplifier used here is an IC of Texas Instrumentation, namely TPA3122D2N15W, which is a stereo audio power amplifier. Here we are explaining the working of our EVM. User 1 arrives, age 18+, he is a fair candidate. User firstly places his finger in the fingerprint module, the fingerprint is scanned and further compared with our database. Now, as he is a fair candidate, LCD displays, valid user, the user cast his vote. Now, user 2 arrives. He is a minor candidate. He also places his finger in the fingerprint module, his fingerprint is scanned. And it does not matches with our database. Hence, LCD displays invalid user. His vote is not counted. Now, user 3 arrives. He is 18+, but attempts to cast multiple vote. He also places his finger in the fingerprint module, his fingerprint is scanned and compared with data. His fingerprint matches, but he had already voted once, hence, he is attempting to cast multiple vote. As a result, alarm blows, and culprit is caught.